dessert and desert. What's the difference? So dessert is a sweet course of food eaten at the end of a heavy meal. Dessert is a sweet course of food eaten at the end of a heavy meal. And in Luganda, it's normally called kagobererwa mere. Kagobererwa mere, like fresh fruits which are cut into small pieces to act as dessert. Whereas desert is dry, hot area. Dry, hot area. So it's a dry, hot area. It's what we call a desert. A dungu in Luganda. So desert is a dungu, whereas dessert is kagobererwa mere. Okay, have a good day. At Benny Benny we learn English and Luganda with ease. So what's the difference between desert and dessert? A desert is a dry, hot land, whereas dessert is a sweet course of food eaten at the end of a heavy